Are you worried about your PCB design and assembly? Are you looking to manage energy for your home, office, or industry? Or maybe you want to boost productivity in manufacturing by using automation and robotic solutions? ANTT Robotics has the solutions for all your problems. Our expert team ensures flawless performance in every circuit with our PCB design. We provide PCB assembly using cutting-edge technology, delivering reliable results at any scale. Our smart energy meter solution helps reduce your costs while offering live monitoring, overload protection, and preventing electricity wastage. Our automation and robotic solutions guarantee precise, scalable, and productive manufacturing processes. Got a new idea? Our expert team in product prototyping and testing is ready to turn your concept into reality. At ANTT Robotics, we bring your ideas to life, from design to delivery. For more information, visit www.anttrobotics.com. Also, you can contact with us directly at support@antrobotics.com or antrobotics@gmail.com.